Hello and welcome to today's daily vlog. Now I've got to go and get my hair cut this morning, so I'm in a bit of a rush because I've got to be there at 10 o'clock. I think it's just gone 9:30 now. It doesn't take me that long to get there. It's just a walk, it's just around the corner, so it's not going to take me that long to get there. I'm only going to have to stay with my mum for 45 minutes to an hour when I get it done. I shouldn't be that long, so I'm going to go and get that done. See what my hair looks like now, and then I'll be back and we'll see what it looks like after. See you soon. Oh, so we just got back from the hairdressers. It's raining outside, so it doesn't look great at the minute, but I need to just give it a brush and everything, but we'll have a look at that later. Gonna sort some things out online. Molly is just curling up down here. She's been really good when I've been out with her mother. She's usually with me like all day, every day. She's quite attached to me. So whenever I go out, she can be a bit of a nuisance for my mum, because she's just with me all the time, aren't you? Hey? But yeah, anyway, I'm going to log on for a bit, check a few things, and yeah, just check a few things out online. So it's now just gone 12:30, and I don't think it's actually stopped raining all day. Horrible weather. Look at this weather. It's very horrible weather. You can actually see it dribbling down the window. But either way, Molly still needs to be able to go in the garden, so I'm going to go down into the, take her out now, see if she needs to go in the garden, and yeah, just excuse me, just going to go and see if she needs to go in the garden and have a little break. And then probably go online for a bit more. It's still raining. It's not actually stopped all day. So yeah, it's a shame that, because I really wanted to get out with Molly. She's down here at the minute. Hey. I haven't actually posted any pictures on her Instagram yet today, and I still haven't done anything on the other Instagram. On the other Instagram page, I need to do some Instagram posts at some point, but yeah, it's just miserable today with all this rain, so I'm going to go back online for a bit. Oh, so it's now 22 minutes past 5. I had to go out and get a few bits, but I'm going to do dinner now. We're having French stick sandwiches. I think that's becoming a regular thing on a Friday now. You always get like a French stick in the shopping, and they go a bit stale overnight, so you got to eat them on the day they come. So we normally get like a French stick on the Friday, and that's what we have for tea. We usually fill it with like cold meats and salad and bits, and all that kind of jazz. So yeah, we go downstairs and do dinner now. Ooh, so we just had dinner. Had those sandwiches, look quite good actually. And it's actually stopped raining. It's still very grey sky, but the actual rain has kind of stopped, which is kind of good. I think we needed the rain. We definitely needed the rain because it's been a very hot and warm and no rain for like a good couple of days. But yeah, it's definitely good to get a bit of rain for the ground and everything. But yeah, anyway, can watch a bit of YouTube. Don't know what else to do. Got a few more pictures up on Molly's Instagram and my other Instagram. I got my chain through the post today as well, but it's a bit thicker than what I was hoping. The actual necklace part. Quite thick, so I've had to use this little ring. I'm going to focus it if I can't. That's a bit. There's a ring that's like round the chain. This ring. This one. I've had to add that myself off my other key ring. So yeah, it doesn't actually. Without that, it wouldn't fit. But yeah, I might take it downstairs. Let Mum have a look at it, see what she thinks. Might get another one, and then get another pendant to put on that, a bigger pendant to put on that chain. So we'll see. See what Mum thinks. But yeah, I'm gonna watch a bit more YouTube now. What is the time? What is the time? The time is coming up to 9:15. It's 13 minutes past 9 right now. And I've got everything done down here. We just close this curtain. Down to there. Molly is down here. You've just been in the garden. I'm not going in again. I'm not going out again. Not now. In a little while. But yeah. I'm going to watch. I think it's called Death in Paradise. Something like that. And I'll check on the football in a bit. But other than that, I'm not really going to be doing much more tonight. So I might as well end today's video here. So don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you on Tuesday at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.